Well, today we did some gift of sight patients, and it was a really neat day. I've been looking forward to this for a long time.
This program helped me to get this surgery. Nobody helped me before, so I'm so happy today to be here.
Contacts weren't working, glasses weren't working, nothing was working. And I take my son to Cleveland Clinic, so I need to have my eyes. She said, you need surgery in October, and I don't have insurance, so I can't afford it. Thank you so much.
You are very welcome. It is a joy to serve.
These programs are out there for people that don't have, the means or the ability to have this taken care of.
He has a pretty significant looking eye turn. He's a young man, and he's in a new country, and he's done a good job getting a handle on English, and he has lots of advantages, but he has one pretty big disadvantage, and that is that eye turn. Maybe just give me a little bit more hookage right here. We strengthened those muscles, and I found a fair amount of scarring that I was able to release. I think we got a really good chance of getting exactly what we want. I think how my Lord Jesus Christ healed people and how he made the blind see. And I'm thankful for an opportunity to share what talent, what opportunity that I have with other people. And I really have everything that I need. And there's a lot of people out there who don't.